Imagine this, you're cruising down a scenic highway at 100 mph, but instead of a cramped car, you're inside a rolling 5-star palace with a rooftop terrace, a private garage for your Ferrari, and 1,000 horsepower under your feet. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a dream. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome concept, the most insane luxury RV ever imagined. Today, we're diving deep into the beast. Buckle up, because this video is going to blow your mind. Exterior design breakdown, slow cinematic pan over the image you provided. Front, side, wheels, logos. Look at this monster. Painted in that signature Ferrari Rosso Corsa red, this double-decker beast is over 40 feet long and stands tall like a supercar that grew wings. The front end screams Ferrari, aggressive LED headlights, massive air intakes, and that iconic prancing horse badge proudly displayed on the nose and sides. The body is sculpted from lightweight carbon fiber and aerospace-grade composites, giving it an aerodynamic shape that cuts through the wind like a la Ferrari. Those massive wheels, 24-inch forged alloys with red accents and yellow center locks, exactly like you'd find on a Ferrari SF90 or 812 Superfast. And check out those side steps that unfold like a private jet staircase. The upper deck even has a huge panoramic glass section that lifts up, turning the roof into an open-air lounge. This isn't just a motor home, this is a mobile supercar villa.